A very snappy morning to one and all. Let me share today's thought through a small story. Once, a lady opened her front door to see three old men sitting in a front yard. It was the mid-time of the day. She understood they were old men, tired and hungry. Even though she didn't recognize them, she invited them inside for a small meal. Please come inside and share a meal with me. But the old men refused. They asked her, "Is the man of the house inside?" She said, "No, he has gone out for work." "Then we can't come inside." So they waited there. It was the evening. The man returned back from work. The lady explained everything to the man. The man said, "Tell them I am back. Invite them inside. Let us have meal together." So the lady went outside and invited all the three old men for a meal. The old men said, "All three of us cannot come together. Only one of us can come, because I am love, he is wealth, and he is success. So only one you can choose." The lady was little confused. She went inside, asked her husband. The man told, "Present situation, I think we should invite wealth." The lady hesitated. She said, "Perhaps we should invite success." Their young daughter was listening to all this. She stood in the corner of a wall and said, "Papa, Mama, shouldn't we incite love inside? Shouldn't we give more priority to love?" Both of them thought for a second and they decided to heed with their daughter's advice. So the lady went outside and said, "Which one of you is love? Please come inside and share a meal with us." The other two men nodded their head, and love just followed her. She was taking love inside the house. Suddenly, she realized the other two men were also following love. She was astonished and asked, "I invited only one. Why are you two coming behind?" Then the other two old men said, "If you had invited any one of us, only we should have come. The other two would have returned back. But since you have invited love, we are bound to follow love." So my dear colleagues, I don't think this story needs an interpretation. Where there is love, there is wealth and success. Present situation, it's a normal situation for us. We all have personal losses in our life. It may be beloved ones, wealth, health, but we should not lose the quotient love. It should always be lighted in us. Don't you think? If love is there, definitely our institution or our family is going to be, it's going to splendor with wealth and success. Present situation in this scenario, let's not criticize each other, but love and share whatever we are doing, novel things in the present scenario. Thank you. Have a happy day.